Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let's get into this quick and easy but yet delicious fried chicken wing recipe. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. We'll start by marinating our chicken wings. It's already washed and pat dry. I have some garlic and onion powder, paprika, sazon, chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, and black pepper. I also will be using an egg and some mustard. And here I prepare some flour and cornstarch. So first things first, you want to go ahead and combine all of the seasonings so that they can be evenly distributed onto the chicken wings. Next, you want to add your mustard to the chicken as well as the egg, and then we will add half of the seasonings to the chicken and save the other half for the flour. Here you want to jump right in with your hands and just make sure that the seasonings, the eggs, and the mustard are very well combined. Once we're done, we will cover this and allow it to sit for about an hour or two. Like I said, you want to add the remaining seasoning to the flour and you just want to make sure it's well combined. Now we'll go ahead and coat our chicken wings in that flour and then we'll set it aside, allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before we start the frying process. Here to my preheated oil, I will place my chicken wings in there and allow them to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. I do not like my chicken wings fried hard, but if you like yours fried hard, you maybe can fry it for about 12 minutes instead. Once we're done, we remove them and just carry on with the same process until all your chicken wings are fried. And here you have it, the most delicious, flavorful, and amazing fried chicken wings. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. And as always, enjoy.